Hello, Gigi here. Yes, I'm back. I thought the iMovie and PixArt video that I did earlier today was the end of this, but I realized I have a lot of friends who don't have Apple products, so they don't use iMovie. They use things like Filmora Go, Kinemaster, Video Show. So I'm going to show you how I use those. One thing I want to do before I do anything else is I'm going to take this and flip it and go back to my iMovie because I want to show you something that, oops, let's flip it this way, something that I realized after I posted my last video when I was looking at it and when I uploaded it to YouTube. Okay, so see where I put these in here and I added a buttload of them, okay? The, right here. So my watermark. So I found that if I go right here and I click this, look what shows up. It says duplicate right down here. So if I hit duplicate, it duplicates those. Now, I want them butted up against each other, so I'm going to get my little pen here. So what I do is it's highlighted. You click on it, it's highlighted. I'm going to just move it until it butts up right against that so that it's the same size. I might move it just a tad more. Whoops. Try that again. Okay, I'll go down to the other end because I said to duplicate it, and let's see how far down. Oh, I'll do that one more time just to show you, and then we'll go on to the other programs. So now that I'm in iMovie, I'm going to go ahead and click that, touch it. You have your little yellow mark here, and what happens is duplicate right down here shows up. So if you hit duplicate, it duplicates it, and then you can take it and butt it right up against the other one so that it's right there, so you don't have to bring it in every time. Okay, all right. Just wanted to get that out of the way, and I did not even realize that until after I watched my movie on YouTube. All right, so let's get out of this. All right, there we go. So the programs that I chose that are not Apple related are Filmora. So the three programs that I chose to try are Filmora Go, Kinemaster, and Video Show. So we're going to open up Filmora Go first. I'm going to hit Create New Video. I'm going to go to my, let's see, camera roll. I have a 51-second video here, so we're going to choose that. It's right here. Let's see what else. So we're going to hit the Add button, and it puts it in here. I'm going to hit the Next button up here in the corner, and it will import that. Oh, let me turn that down. It's going to be a little dark, so I apologize. Let's see what happens if I add a light over here. All right, we have a little bit more light. Okay, so what I'm going to do from here, once I brought that video clip in, is I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to hit the Edit tools. Excuse me. And right here you'll see Picture in Picture. So I'll hit that. I'll click the plus over here. I will go to my camera roll, and I will bring in this photo that I had done in PixArt for the transparent background, and then there you can see it. You can adjust it, rotate it, whatever you want to do. Put it wherever you want on here. There are two little red dots here. So that's the beginning, and this is the end. And what you want to do is you want to drag that to the end of your video. If you want this watermark to stay throughout your whole video, that's what you're going to do. Okay? I'm going to hit OK, and OK one more time. And then I'm not going to save this, but you can save it up here in the corner. I'm just going to play it. And there you can see the watermark right there. I'm going to scroll down to the end here, and the watermark is still there. Okay? Perfect. So that is Filmora Go. So the next one I'm going to show you is Kinemaster. So this is Kinemaster. I'm going to hit this button up here in the corner. Normally I would use 16 by 9 for my YouTube videos, but I'm going to choose 9 by 16 for this particular one. When I hit the media, I'm going to go ahead and in the video, I'm going to say all, and I'm going to add the video that I want. Okay, and then say plus. Okay. Now this one was a little tricky for me. So let's see if I can get this to work. So I'm at the beginning here. Once you bring your photo in, then this should change up here, and then layer will be available. So you hit layer, you hit media, go down here and choose photo. I will choose all, or you could choose camera roll, either way. And then I'm going to add this PixArt photo that I used, and it pops up right here. And it looks really big, but all you have to do is just make it smaller and put it where you want. That's it. And you hit the check mark up here in the corner, and then we'll go ahead and play this. See it going all the way across. Now, one thing that I forgot to mention is that this one, if you click, so your watermark here, so we'll go down here and we'll click that watermark. Oh, what am I doing here? Blah. All right, and then you can move it. Move it to the end of your video. And that way it will play during your whole video. So we've already seen it at the beginning, so let's watch it right here. Go ahead and start from there. And it's still there. Okay? And then you can click this button up in the top here. We'll go over, change the quality, and then export. I'm not going to export it because I don't want to save that, but that's how you use that particular program. The next program I have for you here to show is the video show. So I'm going to click that. I believe this one goes up and down. All right. Okay. So it comes up like this, and you have video edit. So you want to hit the video edit right here. Then I want to go up here, can't see it, and choose video. Okay. Then I will go down and I will find the video, click on it, shows up down here. Whoop, you're not going to see that either. Anyway, it shows up down here. So what you want to do is click add, and then it imports it in, just like that. Okay, this one's pretty easy. It's not very intuitive, and all three of these programs are different for the picture-in-picture, but you want to go over here and hit setting. And this one comes up and shows watermark right here. So you'll hit watermark, go down here, and this is where your photos are. You hit the photos, go down to the bottom, and now it's going to be at the top here. So let me go to my camera roll, and I will choose, I think that's the one. Okay, and it's all black on the outside so you can see. You're going to hit the check mark. Move this back here again. Hit the check mark up here, and it brings it in right there. Okay, so you can adjust it, you can move it. I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to hit the check mark again that's in the upper right-hand corner. And it comes up like this, and it's, wants me to buy. I'm not going to use it. If you've already bought it or purchased it, then it's great, but I'm not going to end up saving this, so I'm going to hit that back arrow on the left-hand side, and I'll just show you that it plays through the whole video. Hit the play right there, and let's see, I'm not sure that I can get to the end of it, but I believe that this plays through the whole video. If it doesn't, you can let me know. I don't want to watch the whole thing. Let's see here. I don't see a way to move it forward, so we'll just leave it the way that is. But you can see it's played through the whole video. Okay, I'm going to hit the check mark there. Actually, I'm going to just close it. So those are 3 different programs. Come on, let me get out of there. 3 different programs that I actually downloaded onto my iPad. They're not, I think they're mainly used for PCs, laptops, things like that. I use a Mac, but I just wanted to show you, and I was able to download these onto this tablet here and run them all. So that's all I have for you, I'm sure, today, because I'm going to dinner later. Anyway, that's all I have for you at the moment. Thank you so very much for watching. As always, be kind, be creative, and always be the best you. And if you enjoyed this video and I helped you in any way, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe.